My name is Patricia Cadenas, and I'm an artist. Well, I feel fortunate that I can parlay my passion into something that people like and it's seen. I would say 40 years in the art business helps me work at an accelerated pace. But with that being said, it's artwork. It's mentally and physically taxing. As a muralist, you're dealing with the outdoor element, the wind, the sun, and you have to bring up your equipment. You have to pulley it up, bring it down. So I got in really good shape. It was like my jungle gym. This is a very visible and iconic part of Marina del Rey. I intended this mural to be seen from Lincoln and driving by, but it also, if you visit it, it has a lot of detail up close. There's lots of fish in there. I like it all because it's like all my children. I love the dolphins. Those were my favorite, and they still are. I mean, of course, the whale, and I love that it's a mother and its calf. I also like the new edition of the turtle. You know, I like it all. What can I say? Save our oceans, recycle. Just be cognizant of this wonderful world out there. It was my pleasure to have painted this.